Worship, Bible story, craft time, and snacks. But if you're not ready to come join us yet, you can learn about the Bible lesson by reading it together at home and also print out the craft. Okay, now enjoy craft time with Miss Nicole. Bye!
Hi kids, and welcome to Craft Time. I'm Miss Nicole, and today's craft we are going to be making some bread. Please remember to have your parents help you with this craft, so don't not do it by yourself.
Did you say bread?
Yes, I said bread.
Hi, Miss Nicole.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
You're gonna be making bread today?
Yes, are you going to help me?
Yes! I should help you because you probably need a lot of help. You know how to cook?
A little bit.
I know how to cook. I'm actually a master chef. I've been trained by Gordon Ramsay and stuff.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm very excited that you're going to be here to help me today.
You look excited.
I am excited.
What's with the awkward silence?
I'm waiting to get started. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
I was born ready.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so what do we need?
First, we are going to need, of course, our oven right here. And then, let me get the cornbread.
Corn? What type of bread is that? The corn?
Yeah, you could use any kind of bread. We're going to be using cornbread today. Our mixing bowl, our measuring cup.
Ooh, she's so organized.
Our, what do you call this?
That's a whisk.
A whisk.
But in other countries, they also call it a children beater. You beat the kids with that. When you misbehave and you're not listening to your parents.
Oh, so I bet you got beat a lot.
Me? I've been a good child. That's why Joshua loves me so much. Did you know that Joshua got a shirt last week?
Yes.
And his shirt said, Mikey is the best.
No, it said that he's better than Mikey.
What? That is not true. I'm gonna call my lawyers and I'm gonna make sure that that shirt has never been shown ever again on YouTube. Children, if you like Mikey, give me a thumbs up. But if you like Joshua, give me a thumbs up. See what I did there?
Yeah. Okay kids, so make sure that you preheat your oven before you start mixing, so that way that it's ready to put in the oven. And make sure that you have your parents to help you do this craft, or any adult inside the house. So let's start mixing our ingredients.
That's not an oven. That's like a conventional oven. That's like for like nice high-tech oven. So children, don't forget to go and buy yourself a high-tech oven.
It still works, it does the same.
So, what you want to do, children, is rip the paper open and put the paper in the pot.
So you put it in like this.
With all the paper.
No paper. You throw the paper away.
Oh. So you just put the stuff inside
the bowl.
So you put the insides in the insides.
Next, we are going to get the egg and put the egg inside the bowl.
Look how nice she pours that egg. It was beautifully put in the egg.
Now we get our milk. Measure 2/3.
2/3. Remember kids, 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 2/3. Okay. Oh, that was so beautiful.
Now we get our whisk.
That's called a children beater. That gives me terrible memories of when I was a good kid and some other kids got beaten up. Remember, kids, to always spin it counterclockwise, like Miss Nicole is doing. Now she's doing it clockwise. Make up your mind. If you don't know what counterclockwise or clockwise is, ask your parents. And if your parents don't know which way is counterclockwise or clockwise, get new parents. That's it?
Yep.
That was quick.
And then right there. We are going to be using these, so it'll be easy to shake the bread. So now we pour the bread inside. What are these called?
Those are called bread molds.
Bread molds.
Not to be confused with cookie molds. And she's pouring it gently, ladies and gentlemen. She's quietly pouring it, making sure she doesn't spill anything on the counter. Because the Pastor Carolina, she gets really upset. She's like, who made a spill here? And then I'm upset now, and then no cookies for anybody. I don't know why Pastor Carolina turned British, but I believe that's how she gets upset. You dropped some.
It's okay, you could clean it.
I don't have money to hire people to clean.
You don't know how to clean?
That's not for me. Cleaning is not part of my leadership qualities.
No, you have to clean. If cleaning needs to be done, you have to clean.
What? Jesus never asked me to clean. Children, do you guys clean? They said some of them clean. Miss Nicole, do you clean?
Yes, I clean. If my house is dirty and if something needs to be clean, I clean, even if I don't want to do it.
Well, does your husband clean?
Yes, he cleans.
Mr. Jose, is that true? Do you clean? He said sometimes.
All the time.
Actually, that's true.
He cleans all the time.
He's actually a little bit OCD.
So now we are going to put it
in the magic oven.
Yes. Okay.
Ooh, fancy.
Stay.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Really
she almost
nice.
dropped the cornbread. That is very nicely put. Very gently and delicately. I would have done a better job, but you're doing a great job too.
I do a great job.
Josh would have done it better, but that's okay.
15 minutes.
1 and 5. That's how you spell 15, children.
We press start.
And now we just wait.
And now we just let it cook.
So children, watch me for 15 minutes, okay? Just stare at me in my eyes for 15 minutes, and please do not be mesmerized. Mesmerized.
So kids, let's check on our bread. I think ours is ready, and remember to ask your parents to help you.
Smells amazing. Ooh, look at that. It is cooked to perfection. Children, make sure you ask your parents because this thing is probably very, very hot.
Okay. It is hot, so please be careful.
Not for me, because my hands are made of pure steel, and I can put hands in the fire.
You have hands?
That's not nice to ask.
Okay, so
what does this bread stand for?
this stands for how Jesus is the bread of life. And with Jesus, we won't be hungry or thirsty because he is our everything.
Jesus is our everything.
Yes, Jesus is our everything.
And Jesus, for me, he is also my tortilla of life.
Whatever you want to call it, bread, but he's everything.
Wow. So kids, this represents that Jesus is always with us. And that we'll never need anything if we have Jesus in our hearts. Miss Nicole, do you have Jesus in your heart?
Yes, I have Jesus in my heart.
I was gonna start praying for you if you did.
No, I have Jesus in my heart.
That's good. That's good that you're changing to a better person.
Yes.
Like me, long time ago. Now I'm almost perfect. I can't say I'm perfect because then people get upset at me, so I humble myself and say I'm almost perfect.
That's our goal, is to be more like Christ.
And more like Jesus, like I'm like Jesus.
Yes. So this is our finishing craft. I hope y'all had fun.
So can I eat it now? Yeah, let's just cut the show right now. I'm just gonna eat it. Whose hand is that? Ooh. Why is it magically coming to my face? Fine, I'm just gonna eat it here.